Hello guys, and welcome to Garden of Banban. I know, Garden of Banban 2 already released and you're probably like, oh Ryan, like 3 months late. Be quiet, I do not care. So let's just get straight into it. Let's click new game. Not looking for this channel. Time is a dump kit now. Click the connect advanced time. Up the doors open. What is mode? Okay, questionable. And now it's dark. Okay. Ban's kindergarten cafeteria. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Okay. Boots. Okay. Creativity area. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Good job, Stinger Flynn. It's not really anything. I can move the chair. Oh, I can jump too. I only just tried that. And there's a key card that I can pick up, I guess. How do I get in? How do I get in there? It says I can interact. What did I do? There's something up there. What did I? Oh, it's this. This remote requires 2 batteries. Where would I find batteries? Is that a battery? Yeah, that's a battery. Is there one in the vending machine? Do I have to like rip it out or something? Oh, there's no one. What is that? What is that? Left mouse button to use your toy. Is this my toy? Oh, it's a drone! Press the right mouse button to teleport the toy to the nearest room. What do I do with you? What do I do with you? Can I? What if I keep on overshot? Oh, no, I can't. Do I like have to press these buttons or something? Because I can definitely reach them. Or am I just too much of an idiot to know how to press them? Pretty sure I'm just an idiot. Okay. Really? 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 I just figured out how to open this and I'm already going insane. Oh my god, what do I do? I have decided to walk near the bird. Come on. Why can't I? such an idiot. Through this. The toy cannot be directly commanded to break materials such as wait, so I can break this? Why won't it? Oh, won't let me? Oh, it said to not like point it directly at yellow glass. Don't mind me, I'm just flipping my chairs. That's my favorite thing to, and my tables. That's my favorite thing to do, is flipping my chairs. Oh my god, it just turned my mouse and I thought it was a jump scare. Oh god. Anyways, jokes aside, I kind of want to put it right there. And I just want it to go. No. Okay, that works. I just want to break this. I want to break all of the glass. Really? Really? You missed it? There. Oh. Key cup? But I need to figure out a way to turn the lights on. Oh. Can I? Oh, no. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like this. Bambolina says kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Captain Fiddle says, "Ooga booga ooga booga." Makes total sense. Now what? It's that bird from earlier. I'm calling my drone over here to hit this dang bird. Come on, drone. Hit the bird. I mean, it did it. Opila bird mission. I guess that's what this thing is. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get you. Isn't that cannibalism? No, never mind. I don't care at this point. Where would I find eggs? I feel like I would find one up here. It's like these little blue circles. Oh, that's an egg. Or the other ones, though. One on the swings. No. Ah! I see you. Why can't I? Okay. Oh. Well, I didn't mean to do that. Why won't you let me pick you up? I finally picked it up. I don't know what to do anymore. I would feel like there would be one in the slide or something. But what is this? Where's the? It's just I can interact with it. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, there's There's a big red button. Where's my drawing? Oh, there it is. Egg. Okay, guys, so I just was looking for the past 3 minutes. It is right here. No, never mind. Oh, that's weird noise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? But claim your reward from mouth. Oh! I got a key card? What? I'm like supposed to... I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm just running around at this point. Okay, so you can't break this glass. Oh, now I get it! The following like colored key card. This is a key card scanner. How am I that stupid? Boop. What did that do? I want to bring it. Okay. Oh, how did I miss this button? How did I miss this button? I'm so dumb. What was that? Oh. Band says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine. I saw like a piece of paper. I can